Unlocking the power of mind maps.
Mind mapping is a visual method to organize ideas, solve problems, and boost creativity. By mapping thoughts on paper or screen, you can see connections, recall information faster, and clarify complex projects. Whether for brainstorming, planning, or studying, learning to create effective mind maps can transform your productivity and help you tackle any challenge with confidence.
Start with a clear central idea.
Begin your mind map by placing the main topic or goal at the center of your page. This central idea anchors your thoughts and keeps your mind map focused. From here, you'll branch out, but everything connects back to this theme. Keeping your central concept specific and clear makes expanding your mind map easier and more purposeful.
Branch out with key themes.
From the central idea, draw lines outward for each main category or key point. These branches represent significant themes or tasks. Use single keywords or short phrases to keep things concise and visually clear. Limiting words per branch helps your brain quickly process concepts and spot patterns, making your mind map more useful and actionable.
Add details and connections.
Expand each branch by adding sub-branches for supporting ideas, steps, or details. Don't hesitate to make connections between different branches when ideas relate. Using color coding, symbols, or different shapes can further clarify relationships. This layered, connected approach ensures you capture complexity while keeping your mind map easy to read.
Keep it flexible and review often.
Effective mind maps are dynamic. Add, rearrange, or remove branches as your understanding grows or as project needs change. Revisit your mind map regularly to spot new insights or gaps. Staying flexible ensures your mind map remains a powerful tool for ongoing productivity and supports your goals as they evolve.
Take action with your mind map.
Transform your mind map from a visual brainstorm into a practical action plan. Identify priority tasks, mark deadlines, or assign responsibilities within your map. Use it as a reference during work sessions, meetings, or study periods. A well-crafted mind map not only organizes ideas, but also drives focused, effective action every step of the way.